Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we will be assembling the Panzer III. So the first step of this model is to clip away the sprues and the support plastic material. So take your hobby clipper and clip away this support plastic material from underneath the gun and this sprue plastic pieces. You can just peel away and clip away, and then there's the material that's underneath this little MG gun to the side of the main gun. So just keep on clipping that away, and then later you can sand down the sprue marks if you wish to make that more clean of a situation. Alright, so this model is fairly simple as it regards to sprue cutting, but there is this back piece which I will show you after you clean up the front gun area. Don't forget about this back piece here. These three support plastics, just cut those away, and then you can sand that flat piece down if you wish. But clip away all that plastic there underneath that back area of the turret. And once you have successfully clipped away all that, then the cutting part of this model should be done and it should be ready for gluing. Something I would like to mention here is in this video I am gluing the side here. This should not be done. First you should glue the two pieces of the hull together before you glue on the tracks. Alright, so after figuring out that mistake, the next step you should do is glue the two sides of the hull, the middle hull piece together. Just dab a bunch of glue, or not a bunch, depending on the quality of your glue. Just put some glue on the edges here, and we're going to glue together the two pieces of this hull. Just put the top piece on there, and you can see easily which orientation it should be. This is the way it should be, where the back piece has that horizontal line going down, and then the angle piece will be facing up to the front. Once you have these two pieces glued together and in place, evenly glued, then you can glue on the tracks like I did before, but it needs to be with these two pieces first. And you can see easily how the tracks line up pretty well. So while I'm gluing on these tracks, I would like to mention I have this product and others on Etsy, eBay, and my website. You may have found my shop on Etsy or eBay, but I'd like to mention I have the prices cheaper at miniaturetanks.com with the option of bulk pricing. If you buy two or more, the prices get less per item. Anyways, so back to the assembly. I'm using this clamp. Sometimes those are nice when gluing the sides together to keep it secure. And the last and final step of this Panzer III modeling is gluing the little cylinder piece underneath the turret. Just put some glue around the circle there and put that cylinder there, and this cylinder will be the thing that goes into the hull of the tank to allow the turret to traverse. Alright, so that actually concludes the assembly of the Panzer III. Thank you so much for watching another assembly video from Miniature Tanks Company. Be sure to check out the website at miniaturetanks.com. Hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.